This is a pretty tricky question, but there is a cheeky way to get to the answer without doing any actual work, well, without doing a lot of actual work. Let's start with that, and then I'll show you the full proper way to solve this question. So for the cheeky way, notice that they're telling us that the base of the ladder is 7 feet above the ground, and notice that they're asking for the total height from the ground. So it stands to reason that the correct answer should have 7 plus something, and that eliminates ABC. Now this is a guess, but it's an educated guess. So I'm looking at the remaining two answer choices, and here's what I'm thinking about answer choice E. Answer choice E says 42 times the square root of 3 is that vertical line in this triangle whose hypotenuse is 70. And when I think about 42 times root 3, and I know that root 3 is approximately 1.7, I'm wondering, what is 42 times 1.7 approximately? I'm thinking, well, the 0.7 of the 42, that's like 7 times 4, or a bit more than that. Let's call it 30, plus the 42, that's 72. So wait, we're saying that the vertical line in this triangle is as long, or even maybe a little bit longer than the hypotenuse? That's impossible. The hypotenuse is always the longest side of any triangle, and therefore I'll eliminate E and be pretty confident with answer choice D. Now, how do we actually solve this question? Well, we need to know the ratio of the three sides of a 30, 60, 90 triangle, which is what we're dealing with here. It's not a coincidence that they put the ladder up at a 60-degree angle. It's creating a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and what we need to remember for that type of triangle is the ratio of the three sides is 1 for the smallest side, which is across from the 30-degree angle, to square root of 3 for the medium-sized side, which is across from the 60-degree angle, and 2 ratio units for the hypotenuse. So a good way to memorize that is the hypotenuse in a 30, 60, 90 triangle is exactly twice the length of the smallest side. And then you could actually infer the square root of 3 for the medium side just by using the Pythagorean theorem. So we have that ratio, and we know that the hypotenuse is 70, which means the small side is 35, which means the medium side is 35 times the square root of 3, and that leads us directly to answer choice D. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.